Hey guys, welcome back to the desk. This is the third installment of my individual bit set reviews. Hopefully you're enjoying these. If you want to see the whole video I did when I talked about every single one of them, but I'm going to focus on the individual bit sets and talk about them one at a time. So this is the Milwaukee 1/4-inch ratchet driver and socket set. This is a 38-piece metric only. It is part number 4932498381. I still have it in the retail packaging, even though I have opened it. I just kind of wanted to show you the packaging it comes in. You get a 1/4 drive ratchet. You get a universal joint for the 1/4 drive. You get 1/4-inch drive sockets starting in 5.5 all the way up to 14, kind of just like all the other sets. You get a 1/4-inch drive extension in 76 millimeters and 152. I think that's like 2 inches and 4 inches like the others. You get the 1/4-inch square to 1/4-inch socket adapter. You get the 1/4-inch socket adapter. That's the spinner, the tri-lobe spinner handle 1/4-inch drive. You also get, this one has the shockwave bits. You get the Phillips 1, 2, 3. You get the slotted 4.5, 5.5. You get the posi drive 1, 2, and 3. You get the hex 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. You also get the Torx 10 all the way up to the Torx 20. Actually, it goes all the way up to Torx 40. So, yeah, pretty good set. Now, something I noticed about this, it says made by Tekton Industries in Winnenden, Germany. Also, Tekton Industries UK. But if you notice right here, can you read that? Made in PRC. That stands for the People's Republic of China. That is mainland communist China. So this is not like the other sets. This one is not made in Taiwan. This is made in mainland China. So take that for what it is. So I'm going to open this up, let you look at this. This one is definitely a different case than all the others. Since the others are made in Taiwan, this one's made in China. We know they weren't made in the same factory. There's no possibility of that. It has a plastic clasp. If you're used to the Milwaukee bit sets, this is very similar. You know, the drill bits, the shockwave bits, that kind of thing. So I'm going to go ahead, and it's got a plastic clasp. It's got a nice long hinge back here. I'm going to open it up, and inside, there you go. Now this, man, that looks like maybe even an 8-inch extension, whereas the others only have, let me show you that compared to the Icon extension, which I have right here. So the Icon's a 4-inch, so this looks like it's a 6-inch extension. And then this one here, if we can get it out, this, we know there's a 4, so it's got a 3 and a 6-inch extension. I know that it wasn't clear because they listed it in millimeters, and who knows what that means. It's got a good universal joint, just like pretty much all the others, and a real ratchet. Let me, I'm gonna pull the, look at the difference in that ratchet. This is the real ratchet. Like and man, it is, the back drag is night and day. Like, I don't know if you watch that other video, I'll do it right here. Look, I can sit here and turn it. Now I know the handle's longer, maybe a little heavier, but watch. Let me make sure I've got it set right. Yep, it should. Yeah, so I can take this. It never breaks. It goes all the way around. I can flip it the other direction. It goes all the way around, just to show you. It should turn, but it doesn't. That's the V-Series 1/4-inch. But the Milwaukee, very little back drag. That is a great little ratchet right there. And it is a full-size 1/4-inch ratchet, just like you would get in the mechanics tool set, which I'm going to have a review on. The pack out, the full pack out 3/8 1/4-inch set, that's coming soon, so be on the lookout for that. So what did I say? The bits come in, the sockets come in 5.5 all the way up to 14, which is pretty much what all the others have. I think the Icon has a 5 and a 5.5, whereas this one has just the 5.5, doesn't have the 5.5, which don't use a whole lot of 5s, but one thing that's cool about these Milwaukee bits is, as you can see, they're square. They won't roll away on you, so that's nice. They're laser etched, but they are still kind of, you can feel it's engraved in there. It's not going to rub off, so that's a good thing. You've got the 1/4 inch shockwave impact adapter, so you can use this in your impact wrench. That's a nice little feature. All of them have the square on them. You've got your security Torx here. You've got your hex bits. You've got the 3 Phillips, and you've got the posi drive. It's basically everything you've got in all the other kits. It's very, they all pretty much, the ones I've discussed are pretty much the same. The only exception being the Icon has standard. This one only has metric, and the Craftsman either comes in standard or metric. I've looked, I can't find this one in standard. It only pretty much comes in metric. If I'm wrong, let me know. You can leave a comment. This is a great spinner handle. It's just like the tri-lobe screwdrivers. I think I did a review on those from my Black Friday tool haul, but it's got the same profile. It may be a little smaller as far as, but it's still a good fit, good feel. Overall, if I had to choose between this one, the Icon, or the Craftsman, I'm going to go with the Milwaukee. And the reason for that is it's got a better ratchet. It's not a flex head like the Icon, but it has almost no back drag. It's awesome. It's a full-size ratchet. Spinner handle is really comfortable. I like the fact that these sockets, when you can get them out of there, they will not roll away on you. They have that flat side. Well, that one wants to roll, but anyway, my desk isn't level, as you can see. But this is a great set, and I think these are supposed to pop out. I haven't tried it, but they do look, hitting the camera there. They do look kind of modular. Maybe they'll pop out. I don't know. I haven't tried it. They don't look molded in, so I guess if you wanted to take them out, use them in your toolbox, you could. Let's try it. We've got tools. Let's use them. I'm going to put this in here. See if that'll pop right out. Probably end up breaking it. They have little tabs. Yep, it does come out. So I have not tried this before. So look at that. So you could take that out if you wanted to set it in your toolbox. There you go. Pretty neat, huh? I'm gonna put that back before I lose. But these are the Shockwave bits. So if you're familiar with that, those are some pretty cool bits made by Milwaukee. Anyway, let me pop that back in there if I can. Hopefully I can. It came out, must go back in. There we go, back in. So my choice from all the ones I've reviewed so far, to me, this is the best compact bit set. This is the one that rides in the toolbox or the glove box of my Ram 1500. It's the one I carry every day. This one here rides in Mrs. Rambler's, there you go, rides in the glove box of Mrs. Rambler's Tundra, which you see me work on a lot. But I hope you've enjoyed these reviews. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please comment which one of these toolkits do you like the best. If you have one you like better that you'd like to see me review or just want to brag about, mention that down in the comments. I'm always looking for new toolkits, new stuff to talk about, look at. They're really cool. I'm trying to figure out how that looks best on camera. But anyway, yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Remember, my subscriptions to my channel are free for all of 2026. I'm trying to get to 26,000 subscribers by the end of 26. Make it happen, people. Make it happen. You can make my dreams come true. Appreciate you stopping by, and as always, ramble on.